Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be teaching you how to host servers on Minecraft Bedrock. Not the Windows 10 edition of Bedrock, you can host servers on that. First, let me tell you why you cannot host servers on PlayStation, Nintendo, Xbox, and Minecraft Pocket Edition. So, maybe you've seen your friends or any people playing the Minecraft Windows 10 edition or Java edition of Minecraft. If you've seen them playing servers, you might have seen them entering a server IP and port, and they join external servers rather than playing the featured or local servers. So let's say you try to do this in your PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or phone, or any tablet mobile device, and you tried scrolling down to the bottom of the servers list as you would do in Windows 10 edition, or go to the servers option in Java edition. And when you scroll down there, you cannot see an option to join an external server. This is because these consoles have privacy issues with external servers and can only give you trusted servers like Hive, CubeCraft, Lifeboat, all of the servers you see on there. So today I will be teaching you how to join external servers on these consoles and mobile devices. So the first step is to go into the search box of any searching platform. I'm using Google. Search up Aternos. 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 And then click on the first option that in Google or whatever search platform you're using, aternos.org /English/. So that's the link. I will be hosting it in the description. And there should be a login button or somewhere, or if there's no login button, just press play. So I already have a server, but you can sign in your account. You can sign into your account, and that will work for you. Just sign in with any password. You can sign in with Google, and yeah. And after that, you came to this video to play on Bedrock edition. So click the Bedrock version hosting servers. But the only problem is you can't host that many mods on Bedrock because Java has like a whole mod option in internals, but sadly in Bedrock you can't do that much. So you click on Bedrock servers, and then okay, didn't mean to do that. So once you've created a server, hold on 1 second, I just have to delete this. Once you've created this, now press create a server, and you have an option, Java edition or Bedrock edition. I don't play Java edition right now at the moment, so I'm gonna choose Bedrock edition. You should choose that too. And you can change the welcome symbol. So I'm just gonna say welcome to the SMP. Hi. Okay, yeah, welcome to the SMP. Hi. And maybe I can add a few numerical digits. All right, and then you can press create. And I'm using an ad blocker for some reason, so I gotta turn it off. So let's turn it off. Alright, yeah, make sure don't use any ad blockers. So let's reload this website. Alright, now you have just went to your server menu, and it will give you your the URL to share the server, the IP address, so you can type it in, and then the port. But now you have all of this to create a server. The only problem is you can't really there's no text box or anything to type in the IP address or port. Now we'll be going on to the next phase of this plan. Alright, so the next step is to basically go into your app store, and you have to download this app called MC Connector. It's taking a bit of time for me to click. Alright, and then you just go to the app store and go to MC Connector, and yeah, I'm just not gonna go there because I already have it downloaded. But yeah, you just go to MC Connector, and once you click that, it'll have a button to say like allow to connect to your devices on your network. So make sure to press allow so it can pop up on your friends list LAN servers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what you have to do to get your server running. Alright, so now the next step is to start your Eternal server. So press start, accept the EULA, and it's gonna take a bit of time to start. And in MC Connector, just put the IP address and the port, and it will pop up on your friends list in the LAN section, and just join the world. And as you can see, you were able to put a custom message. I said hi, welcome, hi 69, and yeah, it's gonna take a bit of time to load because Eternus is hosting a lot of servers. So we're just gonna speed this up a bit. Okay, so it's starting right now. Yep, yeah. It's gonna. I don't think you heard this, but it made a very big ringing sound. And yeah, now as you can see, it is online. And I don't think I really have to show this. Just it's simple. Just type this into your MC Connector, and the IP address and the server port, and you're ready to go. And if you want to change anything of the world settings, go to options. So yeah, as you can see, you can change this thing, and you can change how many people can join. Right now, I need there are 10 people in my SMP, so I think I'll just put 10. And you can change it from any difficulty, and you can have a allow list, like how what people can join, and you can make it a cracked server. So like for example, not Minecraft not launching from directly Minecraft launcher, but like other options like T launcher or something like that. I don't know. And there's also resource packs. So if if a resource pack is required to join this as your world, your Eternals world, then if you want, I don't know. And you can change your time zone. But I just want to go with America, New York. And you can go to your console where you can make people operator. There are a few commands for it. You can go to the Eternals help section to find that out, like how to change somebody into operator, how to change somebody into visitor. And I want to make myself operator, so I think it's like /OP and then your name. So yeah, I'm not in the world right now, so it says no targets max selector, but I think, yeah. And then here's the log. So what really happens in your world, like did somebody join or who joined, and then you can check the OPs. You can add people OPs not from the console but directly with simple buttons. And you can go to your software, and you can see, look how there's a lot of mods. I mean, in Java edition you can see vanilla, paper / bucket, forge, snapshot. There's mod packs. There's so many different types of mods in Java edition, but in Bedrock edition you only got pocket mod, and you can change it. You can change the snapshots. So yeah, that's and you can go to your files. You can change the server properties. There's like the files here. Don't try not to delete anything. I don't know, like just don't mess with these. And then there's the world. You can actually download the world and send it to other people. It's I'll make another video for that a bit later, but that's like one of the best parts, because in Java Edition you can actually download world and send it, but in Bedrock Edition, like consoles, you can't really do that, so this is a great option. And if you can also save the world in a drive in case it gets destroyed, and you can change what people have access to it by their Aternos usernames. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and have a nice day.